Inflammation is the body's natural defense system, and chronic inflammation is considered one of the biggest hidden causes of aging-related diseases. According to research published by Harvard T.H. School of Public Health in 2021, persistent low-grade inflammation has been linked to heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. And the risk increases after the age of 50. Today, we are exploring green tea and clove, two plant-based ingredients rich in powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. And the science behind them is more powerful than most people realize. Stay with us in this video, because we will also provide recipes and important precautions for this combination. Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers TV. In this video, we'll reveal how these natural ingredients work at the cellular level to fight inflammation and why this matters even more after age 50. And here's where it gets interesting. After age 50, the body's inflammatory response often becomes overactive. Scientists call this phenomenon inflammaging. Research from the University of Nottingham, UK, 2019, and the National Institutes of Health, USA, 2020, shows that chronic inflammation contributes to cardiovascular disease, metabolic disorders, arthritis, and memory decline. In fact, a study from the University of Sydney, Australia, 2022, found that persistent inflammation significantly increases the risk of age-related illnesses. But here's the challenge. Many people rely solely on medications, which can sometimes cause unwanted side effects over time. So, researchers have been searching for dietary solutions that support the body's natural anti-inflammatory defenses. And that's where green tea and cloves enter the story. But that's not all. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. According to research from Harvard Medical School, 2020, and the University of British Columbia, Canada, 2019, EGCG can reduce inflammatory signaling molecules, neutralize harmful free radicals, protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. At the cellular level, EGCG modulates inflammatory pathways, including NF-kappa B signaling, one of the body's major regulators of inflammation. This means green tea may help quiet the molecular signals that trigger chronic inflammation, especially after age 50. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Cloves contain a powerful compound called Eugenol, known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research from the University of Toronto, Canada, 2021, and King's College London, 2018, found that Eugenol can reduce inflammatory enzymes, help protect joint tissues, support immune regulation. Studies published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2017, also identified cloves as one of the most antioxidant-rich spices on Earth. And when combined with green tea, their protective compounds may work synergistically. But that's not all. A collaborative review involving researchers from the University of California, Davis, the University of Adelaide, Australia, and the University of Cambridge, UK, highlighted that polyphenols such as EGCG, when combined with plant compounds like Eugenol, may enhance anti-inflammatory activity through complementary biological pathways. 2022 review. In simple terms, green tea helps calm inflammation signals. Cloves help neutralize oxidative stress and inflammatory enzymes. Together, they may create a powerful natural defense against chronic inflammation. Many people over 50 report noticeable improvements in joint comfort and energy levels when incorporating these foods into their routine. But before you try it, let's talk about simple ways to use them. Green tea and clove anti-inflammation tea. Ingredients: 1 cup hot green tea, 2 crushed cloves. Optional, small slice of ginger. Optional, 1 teaspoon of honey. Steep for 5 minutes. Drink once daily. This warm drink delivers both EGCG and Eugenol in one soothing cup. Here are important precautions about this combination. Although natural remedies are helpful, moderate consumption is advised. Excess clove consumption may irritate the digestive system. Individuals taking blood thinners should consult a doctor before increasing clove intake. Too much green tea may cause caffeine sensitivity. Always consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Finally, it is worth noting that chronic inflammation is one of the biggest hidden challenges of aging. But science is revealing that simple foods may help support the body's natural defenses. Thank you for watching the Wellness Watchers TV. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Leave us a comment. Subscribe to this channel for more science-based health insights. Check out our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, stay well.